The performance of the business when I arrived was on a plateau. I brought in a change management person, a new delivery person, and a CFO. We built upon our engineering capability, and then we uplifted and upgraded our commercial organisation that could actually bring forward a value interaction with the client, not a price interaction. And we had access to people through Inflexion's network. When we went to look for a CFO, we worked very closely there, and they commissioned the search. And again, when we were doing an understanding of markets, the markets we were looking at, we spoke to Inflexion, and that resulted in us taking more business. The period of which we turned around this business is so short. So we doubled the revenues and the EBITDA in a year. Now we're so small. Now with Cognizant, we can do more. They saw the embers of something that could be a raging fire. The exit process and the engagement process of Inflexion all through since 2020 has been nothing but, how can we help? When we came to have a problem, it was a case of how do we solve it collectively? And that was the difference. I've worked with other private equity organisations who, that's your problem. You come back with a solution. We'll mark your homework. Inflexion never did. So Kath was really supportive there. She's a hard taskmaster, but I tell you what, I'd work with her again any day. She brings a different aspect. She asks good questions. She's got a good brain. And I must say, the chairman, Gary Stokes, was appointed by Inflexion. Couldn't get a better guy. I think as a team, Kath, the board, it was brilliant. I've been on hard journeys. I've run against brick walls, and this truly is a textbook case of change, a textbook case of releasing the potential, the potency of the organisation. If you give people the opportunity, people will climb mountains in tennis shoes. They will do that.